disasters are a serious problem.
Which is why you, loyal viewers, clicked on this video.
So here you will learn how to survive
Natural disasters!
First up, earthquakes. When you feel the ground rumble beneath you, try staying away from tables and chairs as they can break, fall on you, and kill you. Now, get to the highest point possible so that the rescue vehicles can see you. If all else fails, get into the egg position so the world can bounce you around without it hurting you.
That's a root disasters.
Now it's time for fires. In the event of a fire, climb into the nearest tree to see how far away the fire is from you. If the fire gets too close, give it a little sprinkle to show who's boss.
Oh, no,
If the fire's being a little disobedient naughty boy, then go hide in the leaves as it won't see you.
Natural disasters.
In the event of a tornado, put on your wizard hat and say random words at the tornado until it blows up or destroys in another way.
Mr. Powers, you noticed that all of the sharks have laser beams attached to their heads. I figure every creature deserves a warning.
And if the spell's no worky, then resort to cartoon physics and go jump in a bush. If you jump in a bush, the tornado won't see you. If cartoon physics somehow fails you and the tornado somehow sees you, then go with the flow, become one with the tornado and have fun.
自然災害
In the event of a Godzilla attack, you could no. Maybe oh yeah, you could mail yourself in a box. You know, all those YouTubers have done it. They must survive.
Nice.
So, after watching this video, you should now be well educated on what to do if there's a natural disaster. James, why would you think a flood would happen? A flood's not going to happen anytime soon around here.
Living out here is so great.
Cheesecake.